Hello bachcho, let's find the mode for question number 4. Okay, this is the given data and we have to find the mode for this data. This is exercise 14.2 and to find the mode, first thing is see this column. Okay, these are the frequencies and you have to find the highest frequency. Okay, and from here I can see that 10 is the highest number, so this is the highest frequency, and this I will take this frequency as f1. Okay, and this to the class, okay, the group this frequency lies is called the model class, and so for this data the model class will be what, 30 to 35. Okay, and here h will be 35 minus 30. And how do we find the h? We find the h by subtracting lowest limit from the highest limit of this model class. Okay, and that is equal to 5. And f0 means the frequency previous to this highest frequency, and f2 is frequency after this highest frequency. Okay, so it's very simple. And lower limit L, we take the lower limit of the model class, and that is 30. f1 highest frequency, f0 previous frequency of this highest frequency, that is 9, and f2 that is after frequency of the after frequency of this highest frequency. Okay, and now just formula. And what is the formula? Formula is L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 and multiply by h. Okay, now just put the values here. L is 30 plus f1 is 10, f0 is 9 upon 2 into 10 minus f0 is 9 minus 3 multiply by h. H is 5. Okay, so further 30 plus 10 minus 9, that is 1 upon 2 into 10, 20, 20 minus 9, 11, 11 minus 3, 8. Okay, into h, what was h? H is 5. Okay, so I'll 5, and when I further solve this, it is 240 plus 5 upon 8, and which is further equal to 245 upon 8, and when I further divide this, I'll get 30.6. Okay, so this will be the answer. So the mode of this given data is 30.6. It's very simple. To find the mode is very simple. Now let us move toward the question number 5. And question number 5 is run scored has been given and number of batsmen has also been given. Okay, what is of our meaning? That means that is useful for us is frequency. Okay, so first step to find the mode, first step is to find the model class, and to find the model class we have to find the highest frequency. And what is highest frequency? Highest frequency is 18 here, and so class related to this frequency is this 4000 to 5000, so this will be the model class. Okay, and so f1 will be this highest frequency, f0 will be frequency previous to this frequency, and f2 will be what? Frequency after this highest frequency, right? So model class is what? 4000 to 5000, and lower limit of this model class is L, and which is equal to 4000. Okay, and second is find the width, or so the difference between these two, 5000 minus 4000, that will be 1000. Okay, again f1 is equal to 18, f0 is equal to 4, and f2 is equal to 9. Very simple. Okay, now find the mode. And what is the formula for mode? Mode is L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 and multiply by h. Very simple. Just put the values. L is 4000, so I am taking 4000 plus f1 is 18 minus f0 is 4 upon 2 into 18 minus 4 minus 9 and multiply by 1000. Okay, and when I further solve this, I'll get 4000 plus 18 minus 4, 14 upon 18 2s are 36, 36 minus 4, 36 minus 4, 32, 32 minus 9, it will be 23 and multiply by 1000. Okay, and when I multiply this to find the LCM, okay, so it will be 23 4s are 92, so I'll get 92,000 plus 14,000 upon 23, and when I further solve this, then I'll get 92 and 14, 106,000 upon 23. Okay, and when you divide this further, what you will get, I hope that at least you know the division. Okay, and when you do the division of this, then okay, let's do the division also. It is 106,000 and 23. Okay, so 23 4s are 92, and you are left with 1 4, and it will be 0, and then it will goes with 6, so it will be 138, and then you are left with 2 and the 0 here, and again here it is 0, and again 20, and now 200, and this is 8. Okay, so it will 184 upon 160. Okay, 0.6, and so it is 184, 160, $138, and again 2 and 4, sorry 5, 160, I think 23 7s are, it will be more, so it will be 6, 138. Okay, 6 and 60 minus 38, 10 minus 8 2, and 5 minus 3 2, so it will be 22. I think it will be 8 or 9. Okay, so it will be 4608.7. so this is the answer. Now let us move toward the question number 6. And question number 6 again, see the highest frequency, highest number here. I can see that highest number is 15 here, right? Highest number I can see is 15, so modal class will be 62, 70, 15, no, highest is 20, sorry, not 15, it is 20, not 15, but here you can see that the highest number is 20, so the modal class will be this one, and this will be, highest frequency is F1, and this frequency previous to this frequency is F0, and frequency after this frequency is F2, right? So here modal class is 40 to 50, the class with highest frequency is the modal class. So from here we can see that modal class is, here the modal class is 40 to 50, therefore L will be equal to the lower limit of modal class, which is 40. H is the difference of this class, this is 40 minus 50 minus 40, that will be 10. Okay, F1 is 20, F0 is 12, F2 is 11. Very simple. Now just put the values and find the mode. So the mode will be, what is the formula? L plus F1 minus F0 upon, the same will repeat here. Okay, but you have to subtract this after frequency and multiply this by 1. Okay, it's very simple to memorize. Now L is 40 plus F1 is 20 minus 12 upon 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 multiply by H is 10. And when I further solve this, I'll get 40 plus 20 minus 12, that will be 8 upon 20 2s are 40, 40 minus 12, that will be 18, 18 minus 11, sorry 28 minus 11, 28 minus 11 will be 17 into 10. Okay, and it will be 680, because to make this, I hope that at least you know how to do the addition. If you don't know, because here I have to make this 17, so multiply 17 by numerator and denominator both by 17, so I'll get 680 plus 80 upon 17, and which is further equal to, when I add these, I'll get 760 upon 17. Okay, and when I divide this, 760 and 17, 7 4s are 68. Okay, so I'm left with 8, it is 80 again, because 17 5s is 85, so again I have to take the 4. 68, so I'm left with 120. Okay, point 7. Okay, 7. So the answer is 44.7. Clear?